Guys, I really don't have a good excuse. I'm trying to make one up and it's just not happening. I recorded a video. I recorded the intro. The intro was so bad that I just did not want to edit the video at all. I was 80% done. I just let the video collect dust. That is my excuse. Thank you. So, Staunton Underground Comics and Zine Fest is an event that was happening in Staunton, Virginia. The U is silent, okay? It is not Staunton. No, 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 no. It is Staunton. Make sure you remember that.
For SUCZ, I did a few of the peripheral materials. So I designed and I made a sticker for SUCZ, and I also designed the event badges. I really like how they both turned out. I feel like they fit the vibe of the event. Ryan is a wonderful organizer. He's been really nice and very supportive of all the other vendors as well. It's been really cool to see him bring in other artists to contribute to the event. I'm not the only one that contributed. There's also another artist that did the poster. I know Smog did the button pins.
Smog also came to SUCZ. They were sharing a table with me again, which is awesome because they are so fun to hang out with.
Here's my current packing situation. I have one suitcase because this is a small event. So I was like, I'm only doing one suitcase.
On the way to my trip, first thing I'm doing is going to Fredericksburg to drop some stuff off at Madame's Oddities. Or is it Madame's Oddities? I am not exactly sure and I probably should ask.
It's very hot in here, but I just dropped off all of my stickers at Madame's Oddities. There's a lot of local artists and they all have a special little spot. It's just a very interesting selection of different people. It's very diverse and I'm glad to be a part of that. It's really cool. I was going to interview Carabella, but she was busy at the time, so next time I'll get you, Carabella. I'll get you. Hopefully things go well. If they do, you will see more of my stuff there. So it's in Fredericksburg, Virginia, Madame's Oddities.
After Fredericksburg, we're gonna just head straight to Staunton.
Okay, Smog, how do you feel about the trip?
I'm glad to be here because there's a dog and like 5 cats.
Yes, so there is Tiger Cat Gus, Max, and Artemis, and Fable, and did I miss somebody? Sebastian. This
But
time,
he's elusive.
we're gonna get footage of Sebastian, I swear. If we don't, maybe I
Don't
didn't swear that
force.
hard.
Yeah.
But we made it safe to Staunton.
We made it.
We did. It was a great time. What was your favorite part of the trip? That's a good part.
It was all just so wonderful. Nothing stands out.
We're about 12 hours from the start of SUCZ.
I am here with the organizer of the whole event, is the one and only Ryan.
What's up?
So what are you the most excited about for this event?
I'm excited that it's all come together so well and that we've managed to get so many cool people from different backgrounds, different styles, different experience levels doing stuff like this to all come to this little show in our little town.
Nice. What do you like the most about Staunton?
That it's a small town, but still has a bit of a city feel. We've got a nice downtown, but you're forced to kind of slow down. We don't have everything here that a big city has, but we have a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of really local shops, lots of mom and pop, small businesses. So you're always finding cool, unique stuff everywhere you go.
Yeah, I saw that last time I was here. It didn't seem like there were a lot of like big box stores or large companies here.
Yeah.
So it's really cool to see so many small businesses be able to pop up and support the local creators and everything. So what is your favorite shop here?
My favorite shop is probably the Well Balanced Paw, which is the dog or pet store that is right next to Ciders from Marsh, where we're having SUCZ. But my favorite place to go in Staunton is probably the Staunton Farmers Market, which is also happening in SUCZ, or next to SUCZ.
What was the biggest challenge for putting together SUCZ?
probably, well, finding the right venue to be able to do the type of show that I was thinking of. Part of what I always wanted with SUCZ from the start was to be able to explore different venues around town, because Staunton has a lot of cool, interesting, weird spots that do cool different events. So kind of finding the same one that matched my specific vision for this show.
Do you have any other things you want to say to the beautiful viewers at home?
It's been a huge community effort, and I think, something like this could only happen in a town like Staunton, where we've had a lot of, very close interactions with the businesses and people involved. Finding the venue, as soon as I was talking to the venue, I was talking to the people in charge. There weren't, layers to get through, red tape to cut through. And then also the mini grants that I was able to do this time around, where it was a big, outpouring of community support that helped fund those. And I think that's something kind of unique to Staunton, or a place like Staunton, to be able to make that happen.
So here's a before and after of my table. And I rearranged a few things again, but I'm always rearranging stuff, to be honest. And if you see anything on the table that catches your eye, you can always check it out at leestrawberry.com. Okay? Okay. So the venue is separated into two different sections. So there's an indoor section and there's an outdoor section. The outdoor section was located in the parking lot area. So it seemed like a lot of the visitors noticed the outside section and did not quite know if there was any artists inside. So I went out there and I asked, I was like, hey guys, can you encourage them to come inside? So eventually we did get people coming inside, but most of the traffic was happening outside. The weather was really good too, which I am so grateful for. So I would just step outside, enjoy the weather, talk to my friends, have a good time, and then step back into the comfortable indoor temperature as well. I saw some familiar faces as well, so it was really fun catching up with some friends that I don't have in my area. So, people from Richmond, people from up north, whatever's going on up there, maybe New Jersey. I don't know. After the event, we decompressed, and the next day, Ryan and I went to GH Park.
I slept very well, which is very nice. I was under about 5 layers of blankets because I like to sleep as if I'm in a toaster. So I slept very comfortably. Those are long sleeve koi. That one right there and that one. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. The event yesterday was very fun. I had a good time. I checked my numbers. I did better than I did earlier. I did better than I did earlier, so that's really cool.
I think if I were to change anything about the event, I would prefer for the venue to have all of the creators in one room, which was changed in SUCZ 3. Super awesome. Video will be coming out about that eventually. I'm a little behind on my vlog queue, but I hope you enjoyed this one. leestrawberry.com. Thank you to all my patrons. There are also other cool links available that I'll figure out what I'm putting there. But thank you so much. You are so slay, and hopefully I will be back before like 3 months, okay?
But these guys, they kind of move with their front legs.
Oh,
yeah. And they're also, I think these guys are more agile above land than the seals are. So sea lions are kind of, they're an experience.
Yeah.